It's Brother Brown. I've been talking a lot about the MX Master 3 and how it is a must-have. But I've forgotten about the MX Master 2 if you're on a budget. In 2020, is the MX Master 2 still a good option for you? Okay, so there are 3 things that I like more about the MX3 over the MX2. Now, after this video, if you don't think those are a big deal, I encourage you to get the MX Master 2 over the MX Master 3. First, button placement. The biggest reason why I like the MX Master 3 over the MX Master 2 is the placement of the back and forth buttons. On the MX Master 3, the buttons have a lot of space in between them for back and forth, and I don't have to worry about pressing the wrong button. As for the horizontal scroll, feels very natural and is right where my thumb wants to go, which I really enjoy. Second, scroll wheel noise. The one thing I like about the MX Master 3 is when I'm scrolling through PDFs or Excel sheets, I barely hear anything. I went back to the MX Master 2 recently and scrolling through PDFs in Excel, it's a very loud noise. It's fine, but it's just not as satisfying as using the MX Master 3. Last, I want to talk about scroll wheel material. The thing I really like about the MX Master 3 is that the scroll wheels are metal and that they feel very sturdy. The MX Master 2, they're plastic and I feel like over time they could wear down, and also they're just not as satisfying as that metal I'm clicking. It feels really premium, I enjoy holding it, and scrolling through my sheets of Excel or my PDFs is a breeze. If you find that the button placement, the scroll wheel noise, and the scroll wheel material don't really bother you, I encourage you to get the MX Master 2 as it is quite a bit cheaper. The productivity of the MX Master 2 is still very similar to the MX Master 3, so you don't have to worry about hindering your workflow if you are on a budget. The biggest difference I've found is the premium feel. Yes, I really enjoy the back and forth button placement and where the horizontal scroll is now, and that they're metal, but it's more about the feel of having a premium mouse in your hand. You enjoy using your mouse, and that's something I never thought I would say. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. I want to help you out just like I would my brother. See you in the next video.